This video will teach you how to create user-defined blueprints by blending your own ideas with existing DataRobot components. You'll learn what is possible, be introduced to the workflows, and discover resources for getting started. User-defined blueprints inside DataRobot are important because it gives your team ultimate choice and flexibility to experiment on individual use cases, while the organization benefits from the productivity gains and collaboration that the DataRobot platform provides. The first key thing to know is that the DataRobot blueprints are editable. Blueprint is a term unique to DataRobot, and we use it to mean an ML pipeline that includes both pre-processing and modeling tasks. When we first released the ability to edit blueprints, we named it Composable ML. That term will be helpful for you to find the correct documentation and examples. The fundamental unit when working with blueprints is the task. Data is passed through a blueprint sequentially, task by task, left to right. In the GUI, the workflow to create a new blueprint is to edit an existing one. There is no place to start with a blank canvas. Instead, pick the existing blueprint that is most similar to your new idea and use the copy and edit functionality. This blueprint is now configurable with options to edit, delete, and add tasks. Pay attention to the expected input and output data types when connecting tasks. Then pour all your best ideas into the design of a new blueprint. Blueprints can become very elaborate. Once you've diagrammed it all out, click Train. For code-first users, the DataRobot Blueprint Workshop allows you to either construct a new blueprint or modify an existing blueprint. DataRobot-BP-Workshop is a dedicated Python package specifically for this purpose. The Blueprint Workshop documentation includes extensive tutorials and working examples for you to examine. The documentation will show you how to design and visualize a blueprint by connecting tasks based on their IDs. To get you started quickly, we offer clonable code showing how to use the Blueprint Workshop as an AI accelerator on GitHub. You can use list categories with show tasks equal to true to see all of the tasks available to you, including any custom ones that you've created or that have been shared with you. You can accomplish the same thing in the graphical user interface, but you must be in edit mode to access this menu. Click through all parts of the menu and explore the options. The two largest categories are pre-processing, where we cleanse, standardize, and transform the data to get it ready, and modeling, where you'll see popular open source models from Scikit, TensorFlow, Hugging Face, XGBoost, and others to name a few. Scrolling back to the top, notice the section for custom tasks and the invitation to add a custom task of your own. The complete process for adding a new custom task or custom model is discussed in another video. Adding a new task can be done from the model registry in the GUI by clicking Add New Task, or can be done in code. Here's a list of my available custom tasks. Once registered, I can share them with other DataRobot users in my organization, and they will appear in the menus you saw earlier. User-defined blueprints will appear with a different icon that will say User Model as the flyover text. Use the filter named Composable ML to view only your user-defined blueprints. When you create a new blueprint that's worth saving, add it to your personal catalog with the button Add to AI Catalog. Once you've added them to your personal catalog, you can share them with others in the organization. User-defined blueprints are an incredibly powerful feature of the DataRobot AI platform. They give the advanced user ultimate choice and flexibility while delivering the productivity gains from automation, reuse of components, and collaboration.